today I'm going to be showing you how to get hacks for Pokemon Go, and it's absolutely free and it's no virus. And yeah, so first of all you gotta do is just get this app. So the link to this app is going to be in the description, but actually, yeah, I'm putting the link to the website of the app, as you can see. Go here, and you can choose any color you want. I'm going to be choosing black one, and then it says that you can add this thing, so you press download, enter your password or your phone password if you have it, and press OK, and then you go here. It should download. For me it's already downloaded, so just changed its color, and yeah, okay, update. So we go to apps, and you go down here, and you should find Pokemon Go. Tweaked Pokemon Go without moving and other stuff. So I can just place the link to this. So you could just skip all that and just download it if you don't need the app. So yeah, when you press install, it says that you can download first and then second. So first of all, you need to download them both at the same time. You press on first and then you download the second. So these apps are going to be Tutu Helper and Pokemon Go. So I have my legit Pokemon Go here, and here's not the legit one, the hacked one. I created a new account, and yeah, it actually works. If you don't believe me, then try the tutorial though. Okay, so this hack won't work without this thing, so you should download them at the same time. Then you go to Pokemon Go. I'm just going to be showing it too, and yeah, wait till it loads. Okay, so yeah, here as you can see, there are some hacking thingies. You can move and other stuff. It actually works, but I guess yeah, don't use teleport because you can get banned, soft banned for 4 hours, only per 4 hours. And yeah, well, I don't use it. I use the joystick. Yeah. So this is gonna be the end of tutorial, and yeah, bye.